Interesting. Yeah, on the note of philosophy, I remember when I was coming to Ashoka, or when I was deciding which college I want to go to, मेरा था कि I want to do physics or math because first of all that's my interest, and a lot of but even my parents were more inclined करने के लिए कि भाई physics और math ही करो because जॉब सिक्योरिटी ज़्यादा है. उन्हें इंजीनियरिंग नहीं बोला इतना,
कि
इम्प्लिसिटली
इंजीनियरिंग
बोला.
में बहुत और भी ज़्यादा ऐसा लगता है लोगों को.
हाँ, उनने बोला कि इंजीनियरिंग में भी तो है पर फिजिक्स और मैथ ही कर ले बिकॉज दे नो आई एम स्टबर्न एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लिसन टू माई सेल्फ. एंड मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था तुझ पे तो आई रेड कि तू 4 साल जेई करा तब
हाँ,
8th 9th में स्टार्ट करा होगा तूने.
9th में.
9th में स्टार्ट करा होगा. कोचिंग गया था क्या?
हाँ, मतलब 9th-10th में इतना नहीं गया,
हाँ.
11th-12th में गया.
ओके सो 8th 9th में तूने
9th-10th में आई यूज्ड टू डू लाइक रैंडम लाइक ओलंपियाड स्टफ.
ओह लाइक आई एम वाज एस्ट्रोनॉमी नो
इतना नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा. मतलब देयर वाज अ लोकल लाइक टीचर हु यूज्ड टू टीच,
हाँ
एंड ही वाज बेसिकली लाइक लिटिल बिट हायर लेवल मैथ, थोड़ा सा फिजिक्स, थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
केमिस्ट्री बेसिक.
या
सो दैट आई यूज्ड टू गो.
राइट. सो तू जे प्रेप करा तूने 4 साल एंड तूने मेंस 2 बार दिया था.
यस.
You got a good enough rank कि तू एडवांस लिए इजी क्वालिफाइड हो रहा था.
हाँ.
एंड इवन इफ यू डिडंट आई थिंक तेरा एक डिसेंट डे टू कॉलेज हो ही जाता
हाँ.
मेंस के रैंक के बेसिस पे. अ गुड रेप्यूटेड इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज विच सर्टेनिटी मिल गया, सेफ्टी मिल गया, which pretty much every student wants apparently. And then one of your friends, I think Sitara, your mentor, I think, she told you about Ashoka. A year
Yes.
later you watched a 90-minute webinar which you didn't intend to watch.
Yes.
पर देख लिया तूने. And then you're like after the end of the webinar you're like I want to go to Ashoka. JE मुझे engineering नहीं करना, I want to follow this path. First of all, that's a very bold move to make.
Yeah, it is.
From JE to Ashoka.
Yes.
But it's even more bold because you already had that security there. ढंके ये भी अच्छा ही कॉलेज है मेरा मतलब. वहाँ तेरे को सर्टेनिटी मिल रही थी. सारे रेप्यूटेड कॉलेजेस इंजीनियरिंग वगैरह कोर्सेज जो भी तेरे को चाहिए था वहाँ मिल रहा था. You still chose this path. और Ashoka तब wasn't even 10 years old. Physics department was not
It
as
just turned
reputed.
10 to, like this year. Like
Shit, I didn't know
2024.
that.
If 2014 was it when it first started, and YF started. I think undergraduate program started in 2014 or something. If I'm not wrong.
Oh, okay. Oh, I've started a
The
year.
first batch. I am part of the 5th or 6th graduating batch.
तो 6 holy shit, तो pretty new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these colleges have like at least 60 70 years of
Yeah, batches and all.
yes.
Oh. So you still picked Ashoka. First of all, क्यों चुना तूने Ashoka?
हाँ.
And webinar में ऐसा क्या सुन लिया भाई?
तो एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी एड्रेस पहले से ही कि हाँ मेरे को जो मतलब आइडियल कॉलेज चाहिए था
हाँ.
जेई से वो मिलने में टाइम था क्योंकि एडवांस्ड हुआ नहीं था.
Right.
बट आई वाज गेटिंग अ लिटिल सिक ऑफ द रैंक्स एंड लाइक द ओवरऑल स्ट्रेस ऑफ द थिंग.
Right.
एंड मेरे को एंड में 12th के एंड में व्हेन आई वाज सीइंग कि हाँ अभी इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है तो ये करनी है चीज़ें. एंड आई हैड लाइक अ फ्रेंड हु वाज 1 year सीनियर टू मी ऐसे सोसाइटी में ही.
हाँ.
And he showed me what he was doing, and he was also in a good NIT, and I was like, nah, I don't want to, like I would not want to do this. इतना 2 साल पढ़ाई किया.
Like he showed his coursework and all.
Little bit, yeah. I mean, he told what the college vibe is and all of those things, and it was not very bad also, but like I was like थोड़ा और कुछ करना है यार, ये नहीं करना. एंड 12th के एंड में मेरा वो 10th से पहले एक था कि मेरे को रिसर्च करना है, ये करना है, फिजिक्स में करना
Like
है,
academia में जाना है.
एस्ट्रोनॉमी. हाँ मतलब उतना नहीं पता था पर एस्ट्रोनॉमी में पता है करना है कुछ.
हाँ. हाँ.
एक्चुअली वो चाइल्डहुड बचपन का ल्योर होता है ना एस्ट्रोनॉमी का, तारों का, वो सब वही था. इट्स नॉट एनीथिंग मच मोर देन दैट.
Yeah.
But if you persist long with it enough, then that turns people into academics and whatever
Yeah,
professors and all of those people. So if you stay with that curiosity and that thing for long enough, and you also do the boring bad parts of the job, you eventually end up there. So 10th से पहले I was like, oh मेरे को ये करना है, but then people were like, अरे you can always do this later. First do this safe thing and like do the JEE hard prep. So I did that for 2 years. And before giving JEE Advanced, I got to know about Ashoka. And I was already sort of falling out of love with JEE Advanced.
Yeah.
So, and this was like...
Or the idea of getting into an IIT.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I still don't hate getting into an IIT. They're they're good places. There's a reason they have reputation. But it is not fit for everyone.
Right.
Is what I think. And I saw the webinar. Webinar was good only, but the whole idea, I did not know such a place existing in India at all. So it was very sort of attractive to me, and I showed to my parents the same webinar, and my mom already hated JEE much more than me because she already did not like this rank culture. You know, every like 2 weeks or months we had this exam where we put in like the own coaching thing, and we had like ranks, and then every after the results of that month your batch would change, so your friends would change based on your rank, and that was a very sort of toxic thing.
जैसे हायर रैंक के बच्चे एक ग्रुप में इनको
हाँ,
बेटर एजुकेशन
so
मिलेगा.
better professors and so the months where sort of my rank went down, I was fully low because like I used to take it personally and all. So she hated it. She was like, what are you doing? But my dad was like, he wanted to go to engineering college, but that time whatever financial stuff, and he didn't have money, so he couldn't go. So it's like, you can go, you should go.
ये तुम्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने ना तो तू कर जो मैं नहीं कर पाया.
So I also like wanted to do because it was like good, it was respected, it was like what you said, safe. But as I gave 2 attempts, I got a decent percentile. के पता चल रहा है कि मिल जा सकता है. I saw this webinar. I was like, this is a good place to go. My mom was definitely up for it already. Okay. It took some decent amount of convincing for my dad. Because he was like, मुझे करने को नहीं मिला, and you are getting it.
फिर भी तू नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ, नहीं कर रहा. But eventually, like I showed to him, I made him like sort of watch other webinars and see, and he was like, okay, if you are like, I mean, if you're happy with it, then why not? Sure.
अच्छा, that was your dad's reaction.
So after a fair bit of convincing, yeah. Now he's happy with whatever.
Now he's satisfied.
Yeah.
What was your percentile mains में?
Mains में मेरे को पहला attempt गंदा गया था. It's like 95 percentile, which is like enough to get you into like qualify for advanced, but not enough to get you into any of the like decently respectable colleges. Second attempt I got like 98ish percentile something, which was fine enough. I could have gotten into some decent NIT. I wanted to go for like 99 percentile as well.
Yeah.
But I think उस टाइम पे मेरे को कोविड भी हुआ था, फिर भी हुआ था, फिर मैं पढ़ भी नहीं पा रहा था. So a little bit of खिचड़ी हो गया था. And I got into like a few other engineering colleges as well. मतलब बाकी के exams होते हैं ना 1-2.
Right.
तो वो भी हुआ था. But then I was essentially falling out of love with the thing. And Ashoka's webinar I saw at the right time. So it was a big leap of faith actually. It has turned out like decently so far.
Because you weren't sure कि अशोका कैसा होएगा. नया
I was sure कि अशोका अच्छा होगा.
हाँ.
But there was always that, I am leaving the safety thing. I am not doing the conventional thing. And there's a reason it's conventional. It's because it's safe.
Yeah.
And I mean, you can't take away the merits of, graduating from an IIT even today.
Yeah.
It is a brand, no? It is a brand for a reason.
Yeah.
So you're still trying to, like, choosing to not do that. And so, yeah, it was a big leap of faith. But thankfully, like, parents were also fine with it. They were like, okay, you do. So I did.
I think उस मोमेंट पे द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज पेरेंटल सपोर्ट बिकॉज
एग्जैक्टली
एक तो ये है कि यार तुम जेई कर रहे हो पर तुम्हें अशोका लाने का यू स्विच की जेई नहीं करना अशोका लाना है एंड यू सी ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स उनका तूने जैसे लिखा था उनका 3 डिजिट ARI आया होगा.
हाँ, एक दोस्त था मेरा.
तो थोड़ा आई डोंट नो अगर कंपेयर करता था तू कभी खुद को, पर मोस्ट पीपल वुड
करते हैं भाई, रैंक ही है ना, सब करते ही
करना ही होता है.
हाँ,
तो लगा होगा कि यार
पूरा कंपैरिजन के बारे में ही है.
द रैंक बेस्ड सिस्टम ऐसा ही है. आई थिंक नीट हर वो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम ऐसा ही है. सो तू देख रहा है अपने सारे दोस्तों को कि भाई वो इस कॉलेज में चला गया, वो इस कॉलेज में चला गया, ये रैंक आ गई, वो रैंक आ गई, वो ये बात कर रहा है, यहाँ CSE मिल गया, एंड देन यू आर लाइक मुझे अशोका जाना है. एक तो है कि यू नीड टू हैव इनफ fortitude in yourself कि भाई yes this is the decision I want to make, but it's way harder to make that decision जब तेरे पेरेंट्स भी skeptical हैं.
हाँ,
तो I'm sure when your mom का support तो बहुत मायने रखता होगा, but you have to convince both parents, right?
Yeah.
तो जो I was talking to other friends of mine and it took one of my friends, तो मेरा एक दोस्त है वो actually वो पॉडकास्ट में आया था, KIT गया वो, KIT था भुवनेश्वर. It took him a year to convince his parents कि भाई मुझे अशोका जाना है. And a lot of fights, a lot of back and forth, a lot of long calls, a lot of tears. उसके end of the day he got Ashoka, he got a lot of aid, and he's here. He lives right there actually. So for the parents watching hearing our conversation, उनको parents यार parent perspective से सोच, बच्चे को सेफ कॉलेज मिल गया, अच्छा कॉलेज मिल गया, अच्छी नौकरी लग जाएगी, शादी भी करी लेगा, इतना बुरा नहीं दिखता अब करेंगे, पर वो सेफ्टी छोड़ है और यहाँ जा रहा है. तो फ्रॉम अ पेरेंटल पर्सपेक्टिव आई गेट दैट फियर. So kids are more daring usually, right? Because they don't have that many responsibilities. So for the parents watching this, what would you like to say to them कि उनको थोड़ा वो मिल जाए कि हाँ यार अशोका ढंग की जगह आने के लिए.
हाँ, तो पहले तो एक चीज़ है कि यू हैव टू एक्नॉलेज सम अमाउंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी ऑलरेडी, कि अगर है तुम्हारे पास तो लाइक then it's like a good option. अगर if I mean depends भाई, फैमिली अगर बैकग्राउंड बहुत ही है, मतलब you are desperately like you are getting into college only to get only with the focus कि तेरे को 4 साल के बाद क्या नौकरी मिलेगी, अगर ये मेन फोकस है और ये नीड है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो I would not say it is a very wise choice.
You go to Ashoka, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
If job is your priority.
Yes. If you are like decently like stable financially and you get a decent amount of aid and like all of that works out.
Like middle class बोल लेते हैं या lower middle class भी आते हैं.
Yes. Yeah. I think it is really about तेरे को क्या करना है 4 साल के बाद, because जॉब तो यहाँ के लोगों को भी मिलती है. हाँ, यहाँ के लोगों को भी अच्छे पैकेजेस मिल रहे हैं. CS वाले तो यहाँ पे बहुत भाई मचा रहे हैं इधर. I know people, I mean, obviously the comparison is with other undergraduates of, say, IITs, ICERs, and we also, physics maybe, we are often, our professors who have taught at these institutions, they often compare us to undergraduates from there, and most of the times the thing is like, it's a new institution, because of the nature of the course, sometimes the rigor is not that much.
यहाँ पर
sometimes. So, we, obviously comparisons होते हैं, पर I mean, थोड़ा if you, it's a leap of, एंड में तुमको अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फिजिक्स, एंड में तेरे को फिजिक्स में 3 साल की BSc अंडर ग्रेजुएट ही मिलने वाली है. तो तू जहाँ से इफ यू डू इट फ्रॉम रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट, दैट इज नॉट बैड, दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट आई एम सेइंग कि कंसिडर, एटलीस्ट कंसिडर दीज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अशोका एज एन ऑप्शन, एंड look at everything, and the people joining Ashoka now, the professors and all of the people teaching, they're also good people, they have taught at these institutions.
Yeah.
And the reputation of an institution is what built by the people teaching there and the students there, and after certain amount of time, if you produce results like over a certain extended period of time,
like alumni.
alumni, and sort of legacy बनती है, institution की reputation बनती है.
हाँ.
But mainly यही चीज़ है. अभी age तो नहीं है ना अशोका के पास, क्योंकि
it's just 10.
हाँ. पर professors अच्छे हैं, बच्चों का भी मतलब, see, it's not an entrance test that we need to pass to get in here.
Yeah.
So maybe reputation building in that sense is harder for Ashoka now, because the people getting accepted are not going through that kind of a filter. They are going through a very different kind of filter, which people might say it's less rigorous, but it's not that less rigorous also.
It's more holistic.
Yeah. It has a whole.
For instance, I know people जिनके बहुत अच्छे grades आ गए, जैसे IB में 45 is the maximum, 42 आ गए, 44 आ गए, फिर भी आनी कुछ है. मैं 39 के साथ बैठा हूँ यहाँ, even though because I had other stuff in my application, right?
हाँ. So that all is there. If you are sort of looking for a job, if you're especially doing a science thing, and so CS most people do here.
Yeah.
I think that is the best example of choosing Ashoka, choosing a liberal arts setting to do your education, and still being a very good commodity, like whatever like eligibility for the job market to get a good job. So all of those, physics is still a little more trickier, because it's not really, and most people, if you're doing a BSc in physics, then I hope you're not going in with the even the hope कि तुम्हें सिर्फ बैचलर्स के बाद अच्छी जॉब मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज जॉब करनी है तो फिजिक्स क्यों कर रहे हो पहले से, एटलीस्ट बैचलर्स में. if you want to do like data science jobs and all that, physics gives you the skills, a lot of transferable skills, and people get hired. But if you like, I don't know why
CS degree might tell you better.
Why would you start with a physics degree? Yeah.
If that's your objective.
Yes.
Yeah. I think a lot of parents also need to know कि Ashoka's, if you send your kid here, if your objective is not going to be भाई मेरे बेटे को डिग्री मिल जाए, नौकरी लग जाए, या बेटा बेटी whoever, you want that child to grow as a person.
Very important.
You want them to develop holistically, like as you put it in one of your articles, कि enhance all aspects of my personality equally, right? Which you thought तेरे को engineering college से नहीं मिलेगा. And that's very interesting to me, because I see मेरे बच्चे इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, इतने दिन रात पढ़ते रहते हैं, इतना स्ट्रेस लेते हैं to get into these best colleges, and when they end up there, they're extremely disappointed. I've met people who transferred from engineering college and they're like, भाई I wasn't get जो अशोका में मुझे मिल रहा है, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, जो हर चीज़ पे फोकस मिल रहा है, वो वहाँ नहीं मिल रहा था। वहाँ सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पे ध्यान था कि कोर्सेज़ ख़त्म करो और ये ग्रेड्स ख़त्म, मार्क्स लाओ और फिर नौकरी लगाओ।
पैकेज कितने का लग जाएगा?
एग्जैक्टली, तो आई
I hate
हेट
that.
दैट, hate it as well. तो for parents, is there something?
But I mean, like, let's acknowledge here, hating that fact is there's also a certain amount of privilege associated with that.
What do you mean? हाँ, yeah,
कि you can hate that thing.
exactly.
अगर तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़रूरत है तो like there's
don't
no
have a choice.
holistic and all of those, because holistic development and all of those things, there is also a certain amount of privilege associated with that.
Of course,
So we should acknowledge that.
Yes, so if you, I think for someone जिसकी प्रायोरिटी मनी है, अगर तुम बहुत लो इनकम बैकग्राउंड से आते हो, पैसा ही नहीं है घर में,
हाँ.
है ना भाई, तब तो आज से सेफ रूट खेल लो, बिकॉज तुम्हारी प्रायोरिटी एकदम डिफरेंट है.
That was like a lot of people, for example, my parents or our parents' generation, who have come, like, for example, my parents came from like sort of not very urban areas.
हाँ,
So they could not have gone to Ashoka.
अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Afford, or they would not have also needed and valued all of I mean, this sort of holistic and development and liberal education and all of those things, क्योंकि that was not the immediate need. पहले भाई तुम थोड़ा सिक्योर बनो. Fortunately, my generation and all of like most people my age, middle class people, they have this privilege कि भाई अभी ठीक है, स्टेबल है,
फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल से आए हैं,
हाँ,
भेज सकते हैं.
हाँ, थोड़ा तो मतलब अभी सोच सकते हो, थोड़ा मतलब you can sort of work on developing your personality, and so that you can do. That's why.
हाँ.
But yeah, so if you, as I said, you need to acknowledge कि ये है, and you need to identify कि तुम कहाँ पे हो.
Yeah.
So that's all, I think.
Yeah, I think what confuses me is just, I've seen there are obviously a lot of rich people here, na, from extremely wealthy backgrounds. What confuses me is when I see wealthy people, students who are really wealthy, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता उन्हें पैसों की, नौकरी और पैसा चाहिए, और पैसा चाहिए, और पैसा चाहिए. I think that's what confuses me a lot here. But just in general, back to your, एक मेरा क्वेश्चन था जेई का. तूने नोटिस करा कि जेई में रैंक कल्चर बहुत था, और तूने you shared this article by Ankur Wariku, I think. 12 lies college and schools make us believe, something like that. And line number.
I was a big Ankur Wariku fan.
Oh, अब नहीं.
नहीं, now I've grown out of his stuff.
Like there was a phase.
Yeah. I mean, he was also, I mean, he said good things. I liked most of them. But sort of now now I feel I've grown out of his content. I learned what I wanted to from him.
Yeah.
Now I've moved on to other people.
Which such as?
Oh, so right now there's two people like in the productivity and happy, like whatever, build a happy life.
Ali Abdul, let me guess.
Ali Abdal and Sahil Bloom.
Sahil Bloom, interesting. My friend, I think, had a chat with him the other day. I think it was him.
I should have regularly replied to his newsletters, and he also replies back. So my only chat with him is that. But yeah, right now I'm like following people. If you like social media pe, then Sahil Bloom and Ali Abdal.
Did you watch Ali Abdul ka? What was the last piece of content you consumed by him?
So he has recently released a book called Feel Good Productivity, which I am desperately waiting to read.
It's not released in India.
It is released in India. I've just not bought it yet.
Oh.
हाँ, महीने के end के बाद next month I'll buy. But yeah, so that's the one piece of thing that I want to read. And he keeps on putting these good quality. They're very relatable product, as the title of says, feel good productivity. It's not just grind it and do, no matter how you feel, you just that all talk of consistency, discipline, and all of it.
Yeah, that is.
So that is there. That's sort of less matured narrative of this entire productivity thing is what I feel. And the actual thing is actually, if you feel good about your when you're being productive about something, that is the most, like, the biggest incentive and sort of structure you can get to keep on being productive.
Doing it, yeah.
Yes, if you feel joy in what you're doing.
Yeah.
And that is, as cliche as it sounds, it's not obvious how you can do it. So that's the latest piece of content sort of that I like, and I'm fully not consumed it also. I want to read the book. And Sahil Bloom I like because man is fit, bro. He's like very fit. And he.
What do you mean, like physically fit?
He's an athlete. But he's also like built. I mean, there's this whole business and entrepreneurship side to these people, which I kind of don't relate with because I'm an academic guy, at least right now.
Yeah.
So, but apart from them, these sort of living life thoughtfully and sort of keeping yourself fit, consuming the right kinds of what things like physically food also,
हाँ.
and fitness, and also what you consume for your brain. So all of these things, being aware about.
Like not doom scrolling and all.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
All of these things I like, and his newsletters are something that right now I'm liking. But I've also identified the people I like and the people whose content I engage with keeps on changing with time.
Of course, yeah.
So that another thing is a thing of self-awareness if you like a certain Ankur Wariku's content, it's not like तुम जिंदगी भर वही करते रहो. You have to graduate and move on to new people.
Exactly. Yeah. Ali Abdul का एक बहुत interesting चीज़ है. So I don't really necessarily agree with his thesis. If you watch his videos, recent videos, he talks about how he always wanted the freedom of having an empty calendar and doing what he wants to do. And once he left his doctor job and became a successful YouTube entrepreneur, he got that freedom. But now he felt as if he was chasing something else. And in my experience, no matter how much you love a thing, consistency is, if it requires you to be consistent, the best example I can give you is practicing guitar. और तेरे केस में तबला बोल रहे थे.
It's not always pretty.
Huh?
It's not always pretty.
It is not pretty. You sometimes hate.
Yeah.
अबे मतलब same ball practice करो, trying to get that या तो pitch the sound or the hit, right? Guitar के केस में I'm trying to get a perfect action, या फिर thumb को मैं एक तरीके से hit करना चाहता हूँ.
Exactly.
I'm trying to lower my finger pressure. It is extremely irritating sometimes.
Yeah, it is.
But then when you do that, हर दिन 1 घंटा कर रहे हो, 1 महीने बाद when you see the results of it, that's when you shit. I do not regret a second of that. So I think feel good productivity का, I'm not sure what the thesis is book का.
Yeah, even I haven't read the book, so I'm.
Yeah. But in general, consistency will be boring. It will be painful sometimes.
Yeah.
That's at least been my experience. Even with this podcast, I don't want to do things sometimes, but I still do it because I know कि important है.
Fair enough. No, I mean there is always. I mean, as I said, as we were discussing when we came here, any job is any good whatever YouTuber. Even if you love the job that you do, it's still a job, right? So there are going to be aspects you're not going to.
You don't enjoy.
Yeah. And so you have to pull through in that in those instances, and you have sometimes zooming out helps. You can sort of, if you are sort of can't get something done because of the bad parts of the job.
Yeah.
Then you can just zoom out and think, why did I start doing this?
Exactly, the whole point of it.
Yes. Why am I doing this? And if you remember, and if you had a strong enough conviction, then you generally can find a way to pull it off.
Exactly.
But also too much of result oriented happiness is like what you feel after you've done something productively. If you base too much of your happiness of the thing based on
the result,
yes, then that is also like I don't know, that is not a very wise thing to do also.
A recipe for disaster.
Yes,
yeah.
There has to be some amount of joy and like liking of you, liking from you of the process itself. And as you said, consistency is boring also.
Yeah.
But so whatever, balance, all things lie in balance. Rarely answers lie in extremes.
Dirac function is delta function is an exception, but we'll talk about that later.
It's
a distribution. I know it's a distribution. Everyone calls it a.
It's a fraud function.
I know. You tell your physicist friends that. ठीक है.
हाँ. अब आप तो नहीं कर रहे हो physics में.
ठीक है देखेंगे. Just you watch me. But there's this quote. याद आ रहा है मुझे. It's like it's not about the journey to happiness. It's about the happiness of the journey. पर like for example, when I'm writing math के proof लिख रहा था, I was doing it every day for 4 hours. Math. I hated writing proofs sometimes. मतलब मुझे नहीं करना था. I'm like भाई बाद में करेंगे. But then I remembered why the hell am I doing this, and I recalled that the curiosity that I feel, right? And that why just made it much easier for me to do the thing. Not to mention I'm like भाई consistency is boring, so you have to do it. ठीक है, there's no other option. But मेरा बस एक जैसे ही question था मेरा तेरे लिए. I remember when I was preparing for the JEE, 2 महीने करा मैंने बस. एक कोचिंग क्लास, हमारी केमिस्ट्री क्लास चल रहा था. प्रोफेसर नहीं, टीचर भी नहीं बोलूँगा मैं उसे, but that's the kindest word I can use. बच्चे ने डाउट पूछा एक, and it was about wave particle duality or something along those lines. Not detail में, he just said कि particle भी हो सकता है, wave भी हो सकता है. Just that, he didn't want to crux of it. But the kid's like, how is that possible? Or something like that. the teachers at the end of the class, he said, "I'm not here to entertain your curiosities."
Hmm.
And I remember that as a distinct moment. I'm like, what do you mean you can't entertain a curiosity? I get कि you have 300 kids, 3 घंटे का time है, you need to teach the syllabus, but बाद में तुम एक्स्ट्रा आधा घंटा ले सकते हो ना डाउट सॉल्विंग के लिए, और यू कैन जस्ट पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स द रिसोर्स कि मैं बता नहीं सकता, यहाँ जाके देख लो. व्हाई डू यू हैव टू से दैट एज इफ फिजिक्स इज जस्ट अबाउट ये फॉर्मूला रटो, इस क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई करो ताकि तुम्हारे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, कॉलेज में घुस जाओ, कॉलेज में घुस जाओ, नौकरी लग जाए, पैसा कमा लो. इट इज़ नॉट दैट. आई मीन क्यूरियोसिटी, जिज्ञासा की वजह से करते हैं, राइट? दिस इज व्हाई I don't know, Einstein spent 10 years developing general relativity. It's why, I don't know, Rutherford's colleagues, when he was doing the scattering experiment, he had to track each individual alpha particle and 20,000 se kar rahe the. I mean, that's the estimation. But that's why they did that, right? That's why we enroll for 8:30 a.m. classes, which we aren't registered for.
If you were doing a physics major, you would know that in Lab 4 there is this Brownian motion experiment where you have to spend days tracking Brownian motion of particles and analyzing through tracker. But yeah, rigor is always involved.
Of course, yeah. So it's just that you reduced physics to just computations and getting नौकरी and salary and all. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, जब तू कर रहा था जेई के लिए प्रिपेयर, like was your experience similar? Was your curiosity killed? Was it fostered? Or was it हाँ, तेरा क्या experience था?
Oh no, a lot. I mean, curiosity killed. I don't remember.
Or was it even there at that point?
I don't think so. I did not think in those terms. I mean, the way we were conditioned, and see, it's easy to okay. First, we were not conditioned like that. The entire focus was to crack the exam. Okay, so the best way to solve a question is to eliminate 3 options.
Yeah,
that is the entire point.
ये सिखाया था.
Yeah. So most of, like, if you can find a way to eliminate these questions, whatever, by hook or crook, they don't even care if you get like understand the concept. But so that was the point of the thing, and so maybe I was not mature enough that time or whatever. The way I was being taught by, and the way all the feedback that was coming to me was it's a curiosity, and uski I don't think ज़्यादा बात थी. But I mean, it's also always easy to judge कि भाई ये curiosity concept नहीं पढ़ा, मतलब whatever conceptual understanding ये नहीं कर रहे, ये curiosity entertain नहीं कर रहे, ये सिर्फ सवाल बनाने को सिखा रहे. But at the end of the day, they have to achieve results, and so they need to do that kind of thing because coaching institutes उनको ऐसे ही चलाना है.
Yeah.
And there is a fair bit of the Indian public, like children, whatever, teenagers who want to go to the IITs, and the way to go to IITs is through learning how to kill 3 options. That is unfortunately or fortunately the way to go
situation there.
Yeah. So eliminating 3 options is also a skill, by the way, and teaching it is like it's like if you this is always like if you want to be righteous, or if you want to achieve your results by slightly whatever questionable ways, morally questionable, so whatever, that you can always, I mean, learning to eliminate 3 options is what we were taught. So yeah, curiosity talk was not there, but I'm just saying ki it's always easy to judge like coaching institutes.
Yeah.
But if you look at it from their perspective, there's always, as I said, you can always call people like coaching institutes bad and for stifling curiosity, but there's always answers in the grays.
I suppose so, but I think I particularly had a rough experience.
It depends on everybody's experience.
Yeah.
If you had asked me immediately straight fresh out of, like, if you had asked me as a first semester Ashokan, my hate for, like, my dislike for JEE was a peak at that point. So I was like, yeah, coaching and all of those things, they fully like kill your curiosity and all, which is true, which is I still believe, but I'm not very bitter about it now.
Because you understand why they have to go with that.
Context of, and I understand why it is important for a lot of people, because the end goal is to crack the exam. So we crack exam, crack करने के लिए what do you need to do? They teach you that.